Welcome to this short demo of the Naviate Sheet Tools. On the Naviate ribbon, you can find the Naviate Sheet Tools. Start the Create View Frame command. Let's use the method to create view frames from a layout in a template file. I select an out-of-the-box plan production template, and then the layout for 1:20 scale. Notice the selection to import layout into the current file. I select to add a schedule label and to create a view frame array. I can change the base point of the array using the arrows or pick a new point. I can change the number of rows and columns in the overlap. Let's add the match lines and labels and the masking hatch. Notice the layer preview of the layers that will be used. After I click OK, I can select view frames to remove from the array. Let's select the first two. Notice that the frames were renumbered. Let's go to the imported layout and start the Create Sheets command and select the first layout name and preview that layout. Let's preview next layout. Now I would like to add an overview viewport or a key map, so let's go back to the model and run the command hatch view frame. This command creates hatches for the key map. Notice the layer name preview as the hatches are created on individual layers. Back to the layout, let's add a new viewport. And then configure this viewport to be an overview. This property settings allow you to control the behavior of the function in detail. Back to the Create Sheets dialog and click Preview again. Notice that the view frame hatch only is visible for the selected layout. Finally, let's select all layouts to be created in the current drawing. Add to a sheet set and run Create Sheets. All layouts are created and added to the sheet set.